Our mother built an empire. We fought, and we've killed.
To defend it.
We need to start fresh.
One last job.
How much?
$5 million.
Well, then it's showtime.
There's a cop looking at Pope.
He was the last person to see Catherine Bellin alive.
Things go wrong. Could be trouble for the whole family.
I need to know that you have my back.
People are coming for your weak family.
We'll figure it out. We always do. You just gotta deal with it and pretend it never happened. It did happen.
We've buried enough family. This needs to end.
Animal Kingdom, the final season, June 19th on TNT.